this press statement of Marco Rubio, Secretary of State, dated the 17th of July 2025, it has been stated by the US State Department that the TRF is a Lashkar-e-Toiba front and a Lashkar-e-Toiba proxy. So this whole attempt to draw a dotted line between the Lashkar-e-Toiba and TRF, which has been Pakistan's consistent attempt so far, has been cancelled. Right? And therefore, Pakistan has said that America has said that Pakistan has carried out the Pahalgam massacre. And the reason I'm saying this is because Pakistan has acknowledged its association with the TRF in the National Assembly and at the UN Security Council and boasted about it. Now, America has gone and said, therefore, that Pakistan is a terrorist nation because it is supporting a Lashkar-e-Toiba proxy. So much so that now you have put out a press release saying that TRF is not associated with Lashkar-e-Toiba. You see, Brigadier, how the loop has gone around. जैसे घुमा दिया आपको. देखिए, एक हिंदी में कहते कहावत है कि एक झूठ बोलने के लिए 100 झूठ बोलने. अब वही हो गई पाकिस्तान के साथ. Even you are smiling. So please, Brigadier Hasan, how are you going to get out of this mess?
Thank you very much. It's really an honor to be at your show, and I hope that I'll be given time. It's quite laughable, the debate. I'll just start with why Lashkar-e-Toiba basically supports BLA. I'll just give me time, which is declared a terrorist organization since 2019, and I'll come to the Western Front also. And BLA activists are openly supported by even, I think, this great channel, yours. And nobody is bothered in India that you are supporting. And this was again designated by the USA as SDGT, or Specially Designated Terrorist Organization. This is 2019. This was 6 years back. Now coming to the TRF, in case, let's say, USA has decided, and the State Department, I think they can do it. But the US President has also said that he was the one instrumental in basically the ceasefire. When India was basically begging because there so many bases were destroyed. But here, then you do not give any credit to the United States. You only give credit to the, the State Department. So I think they keep doing it. They declared even some of the Taliban outfits as terrorist organizations, then they removed it. Pakistan has nothing to do with TRF. Actually, we started hearing this word.
Oh, God, no, stop you there, sir. Even the Pakistan. I must stop you there, Brigadier. Honestly, I love that. You see, I'll tell you one thing, sir. Sir, listen. First, let me tell you this with great admiration. Great admiration for the way. Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, great admiration, Brigadier. Brigadier, listen. Brigadier, listen to me. 1 minute, sir. I have great admiration for the way in which you're reading out a parroted script. I have no problem with it. I have a second thing to say, sir. Can you ask Abdul Samad Yaqub why he started laughing right now? When you said कि Pakistan has no link with TRF, ये सवाल मैं नहीं, ये पूछता है सारा भारत कि अब्दुल समाद याकूब को इतनी मजाकिया बात क्यों लगी जब इन्होंने कहा कि टीआरएफ का कोई एसोसिएशन नहीं हमारे देश के साथ. याकूब जी, कोई बात नहीं, कोई गल नहीं, आज बोल दीजिए. आप फिर एक बार जेल जाएंगे, फिर एक बार आपको आईएसआई उठा देगी कि अर्नब गोस्वामी के प्रोग्राम में ऐसी बातें क्यों गई. आप इसमें
you know very well that I might be the only Pakistani who had admitted the fact that Lashkar-e-Taiba, whether Falae Insaniyat Foundation, FIF, Jamaat-ud-Dawa, they come under disguised by the various names. I mean, they will keep consistently changing their names. So, अगर यहाँ पे जमात-उद-दावा का लीडर था हाफिज सईद, तो उसके अम्ब्रेला में वो जो लश्कर-ए-तैयबा थी, उसका लीडर उन्होंने कह दिया कि चाचा लखवी, वो ज़कीउर रहमान लखवी, जिसको चाचा बोलते हैं हम, चाचा लखवी. तो वो चाचा लखवी हो गया. या फिर वो उनका ट्रेनिंग कैंप का, जो कश्मीर में ट्रेनिंग कैंप का, नसर जावेद, जो इनका इंचार्ज था, नसर जावेद वहां का हेड था, ट्रेनिंग हेड का. जी. So by changing the name, what I consistently, I mean, I'm emphasized on this, that changing name will not help you. I mean, ultimately you have to change the policy, not the names.
बहुत बड़ी बात कही है.